To set up question number 2, the sum of squares of 3 consecutive integers, we want to first of all make a let statement. So we need to let x equal the first number. So if x is a first number, the next integer that is consecutive is going to be x plus 1. So that's going to be our second number. And the next number after that, which is a consecutive number, is going to be x plus 2. And that's our third number. Okay, so these are going to be integers, so we should expect whole number values. Now, once we've established the variables, we want to come up with an equation. It says the sum of squares is 149. So that's going to be our equation. The sum of squares is 149. So x squared plus x plus 1 squared plus x plus 2 squared equals 149. There's our quadratic equation. We can expand this out and solve this. So x squared plus 2x plus 1. Please do not square across the plus. X squared plus 4x plus 4. And that's all equal to 149. So combining like terms, I get 3x squared plus 6x plus 1 plus 4 minus 149 is going to be minus 144. So we have plus 5 and then minus 149 from both sides. Use a quadratic. To solve a quadratic, we want to make it equal to 0. I'm going to first factor out the 3 just to see how simple this quadratic is, since it does share a common factor of 3. 144 divided by 3 is going to be 48. Okay, and if it's factorable, I'll factor it. If it doesn't look factorable, it looks difficult to factor, I'll use the quadratic formula. So in this case, it looks like there's two numbers that multiply to negative 48, add to positive 2. So it looks like it factors to plus 8 minus 6. Okay, and then that gives me two solutions. One solution is x equals negative 8. The other solution is x equals 6. I think they both work. We can just test. So we have 6, 7, 8 as one set of solutions. Okay, if we square 6 squared, 7 squared plus 8 squared, that adds up to 149. And if we start with negative 8, negative 7, negative 6, that will also work. So we have two sets of solutions based on negative 8 and 6 as our values of x. So those are our solutions for x, and we see them here, and we can get the solution set once we go back to our let statement to find the first, second, and third numbers.